Good afternoon. It is raining and windy today. So I'm checking my chickens from my room. So I don't know why they don't go inside the room, inside their coops. They just stay underneath of that house, cuddle. So, but anyway, I cannot wait for my tree, my big tree, to look more green. I mean, winter should be over and it started to spring. So anyway, and I also checked my behind my yard is creek or ditch. So that creek, man, the water is we got a lot of water already, and it's gonna rain all day. So, but some people they go fishing.